Hey, hi everyone. So this is just a continuation of our previous session. So now we are going to add uh, two more visualization. One is for network bandwidth, and then the second one is for disk usage. All right, so let's just click on this visualization, and let's give this some meaningful name. Let's say Alright, so on the query part, we'll be just looking for, just type network, and we'll be looking for the total byte which we are receiving, right? And we'll just say how many bytes we are receiving in 5 minutes, and just apply the rate to it. That's it. Yeah, so this will give us some sort of alright, so let's keep it at in time series only, and let me apply this first. Let me edit it further because like we'll keep an average value for it, so we need to just calculate the average. So this will show us a graph like this. Let it be in time series only. We will just fix the unit part. So unit would be, again we will be providing the percentage, and threshold we will keep it 75%. Alright, for this network IO, just give me a moment. We'll keep it on absolute value because it is not giving correct. Alright, so this will show us like how many bytes we are receiving on an average basis. And now we'll just add for disk space. So just add some meaningful description here. This is for, alright, so for disk, okay, we will check for whatever the bytes available for us. Let me run this. So this will give us a constant graph, which is good. We'll keep this one, state time. This will give us more realistic view. And we will also say like what is the status in next 5 minutes. We'll apply some rate to it. Yeah, this is better. So let's keep it this only. Alright, so we have created 4 different visualization. One is for memory usage, the other one is for CPU. Let me align these properly. Alright, so this is showing us the disk amount, the space available on the file system. The second one is related to the network byte we are receiving. This is the CPU utilization, wherein we are counting that system idle for 5 seconds, and this is what we are doing the benchmarking, and this is the memory utilization. So this is how we have manually configured it, right? Let me put the threshold for this graph as well. So we'll keep unit for this as percentage again, and threshold we will say 75%. All right, so this is what we have created a manual chart. Okay, so now I will show you how we can import our own chart, but for that we need to have one JSON file format with us. So let me show you. Let me open. So this is my sample dashboard.json which I have created. So let me explain this to you. So again, like we are using one title here for our dashboard, and in the panels section, this is what we have created different. So for CPU usage, type is time series, data source again would remain same. Then targets would be, in targets we actually need to provide our PromQL query or the actual expression which we are using. So this is what we are using for our CPU usage. We are checking that like our CPU should not be idle for 5 minutes, and then we are trying to extract the average rate. Alright, then in field configuration part, so legend and refer ID, these are like optional. Legend format if you provide, that is good, even though if you don't provide, that will not make any impact, because anyways title should be there. So don't confuse by this. This would be the title and this would be the usage, right? So I'll show you. So title would be, these are our titles, and legend would come under the x-axis and all. So this is what you need to pay attention on. Then in field configuration we are providing percentage and decimal. Grid position is also optional, like if you provide it, it will give you a good screen size visualization. Then followed by memory usage. So again the same pattern. Prometheus would be the data source, and type you can choose. So type is like the chart type, the visualization which you wanted to see. Again followed by the total node memory, followed by that total available memory is divided by total memory. This is what we are using for this. Again grid position and field config, percentage, min max, that also you can provide, that these are optional. Then for disk input output, we are just checking how many bytes we are receiving on 5 minutes basis, and then try to rate it. And same applicables for disk writing as well. Again field configuration, grid positions, these are optional, and network input output. So this is a like a valid JSON. I've tested it earlier as well. So this is what I'm showing you. Like let's say, rather than typing manually, if you want to do it in one go, you just simply need to add this JSON, validate it before uploading, and you will be through. So let me show you how quickly we can accommodate this one. All right, so we'll go to, not import dashboard, we will go to dashboard part, and in dashboard click on this one, new, and here you can import, and in this import section you just need to import your sample JSON. Let imports. So see, this is how it was looking. So this is our memory usage, this is our network input output per second, followed by CPU usage and disk. So this is a very basic chart which I have showcased you about both the cases, like how to import it and how to create it manually. So this is what I have planned for this session. In the next session or subsequent session, we will be covering more complex use cases. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.